Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make some more slime. So for this you will need a bowl, a spoon, borax, dissolved in warm water. Coloring is optional and you can also have scent, but I'm not adding any today. And you'll need white glue. So let's put the ingredients in the bowl. Okay, so let's put the glue in. Sorry. Okay. I was gonna make blue slime, but I'm actually going to make purple because I have a lot of blue slime. Alright, so now put your coloring, which is optional, you don't have to. 2. You don't need that much food coloring, it goes a long way. Mine just don't because it's really for a tie-dye set and it's not as strong. Okay. Okay, it's more blue, but it looks really nice. Let me add more blue, and then I'll add lots of pink because I want mine to be a little more pink. Alright. I want it to be like a berry slime. Alright. Keep on mixing your coloring till it's all together. I'll be back when mine is. So I'll mix to the color that I want. It's a nice purple. Oh, and also I forgot to say that you will, for my recipe, I'm gonna put Dawn dish soap. You don't have to, but I'm just doing it. Okay. Just like experimenting. That's good. Then mix it in. Sorry, the bowl's moving. Okay. Now you need to put your activator, which mine is borax dissolved in warm water. But you can put like contact dye solution or something else if you don't want to use borax. Okay. No, then you want to put a little activator at a time because usually it's strong. You'll mix that. There. So that's looking good. Right, just keep on mixing. Okay. And it should be good to knead it with your hands when it's pretty much all off the bowl. Let's add let's add a little more borax. Just a little bit. Teeny bit. Okay, my borax is very strong, so that's why I'm adding very little at a time. Okay, I'll be back when it's all mixed together. Okay, so this line pretty much all off the bowl. So then when it's all off the bowl, knead it with your hands so that's all mixed together. Okay. It's okay if there's a little bit in the top of the bowl though. Okay. So just keep on mixing it. Right. It probably should be a little stringy, but not too much. If you use clear glue though, it's probably gonna be way more stringy. So yeah, I'll be back when it's warm with my hands. Right, and here's the end result. And just in case if you overactivate it, you can put lotion in it and it will be less hard, but it will make it more thin, so it won't be as thick. So that's how you make amazing slime. Bye!